What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish.
This is how you do it, friends. Very fun.
Good fucking morning. It is Saturday. If you guys can tell what those boxes are, why my trunk is open, you guys know what's about to go down, especially from the other videos and whatnot. So today, finally gonna do my custom 3-inch exhaust and put on my Weapon R headers. Super excited. Finally finished up the clutch master cylinder and everything. Having so much trouble trying to bleed it, and this is what we doing today, guys. A nice 3-inch. About to see a K-tune turn down muffler right there. About to be nice. So let me finish up putting things in here. That 3-inch exhaust piping from True Bends, guys. So if you guys need any recommendations or you guys want to know how this is, let me know. I'll explain to you. This is actually really good. Did it on my last TSX and I'm trying it now. Stainless steel piping. So
This is how you do it, friends. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't. Almost monetized, guys. We're a couple hours away, I'm just waiting. So yeah, let me know. Yeah, very fun. I have a lot of video ideas for this, so
stop playing with me and fucking like the video, guys.
I just downshifted from 5th to 3rd. I shifted to 4th and this shit just revs. And I get a fucking check engine light. Now it's saying check emission system, VSA. Yeah, right now just check engine light for check emission system. I have really no fucking idea why. Maybe it's because how bad the exhaust leak is and shit. RPMs, that shit just starts fucking revving. What is going on, guys? This is your boy Rish, back with another update. We at the shop. It's a beautiful day, as you can tell. And if you guys watch other videos or my previous muffler delete stuff, my boy Joven helping me out again.
Yeah.
Do you think that
I might have to remove this bar?
Do you think it could drop down?
I think it drop down.
So I feel like that's the way we
Put it in from the bottom.
Yeah, possibly.
What might have to happen is we might have to take the header out and take them both out at the same time. Chop away a little bit, and then we have access to all the bolts to take the flange off, and then we drop the whole thing down from the bottom. Like to me,
just like that, guys. You get it out by finagling it and twisting it. There you go. So you got that out the way. Now we have the room to go and bust that out. She's just reading a book. Her mom's book. Hey.
There you go. Getting castrated.
Yeah, we're just kind of ripping shit off right now, guys, and getting things off. The spring bolts, one's kind of just spinning there. We're trying to just break it off. Look at that, right on cue. This shit was fucked.
Hell yeah.
All right, who wants this Ferrari exhaust? I'm charging $1,100.
Ah, factory pipes out.
That's crazy. Hey, that just slid out.
Slid right out. Good. Pop the old gasket off of there. That's it, we're ready for the new.
So if you guys are excited for this TSX build and to hear how the Weapon R headers are going to sound with the test pipe, 3-inch custom single exit exhaust with a K-tune turn down muffler and a vibrant resonator. That's going to be the whole system. Check out for part 2 and subscribe, guys. We're growing, almost monetized. This test pipe long as shit. Man, it's not playing around.
That right here, you know what I mean?
It is not playing.
Got all the official shit ready.
Yo, that shit makes it look so much better from when you see it from the rear.
100% mad clean.
Damn, dude, you thicker.
That shit look purty. Way better than the PLM header, guys. Cause that shit, if you watch the other video, it was dog water.
Damn.
So, homie got the header installed, all tightened up.
They came in, man.
I need to go get some O2 sensors. I'm gonna reach the test pipe right there. So we're gonna attempt to get 2 downstream ones because downstream one is longer. As you can tell, this thing would be a lot longer to use. So we're gonna try to get 2 of them because they're like the same function. So let's see.
A shit kind of room. Is it just a tip? I don't know. Alright. Now, I'm gonna pivot the shit like this on the spring.
I can probably catch just enough,
So, fine, rebolts this, and then we could just get it going.
After this piece and this piece lines up perfectly until the end, and chop it off a little bit for the muffler, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's gonna take a little bit, obviously, you know, whatever, but we'll get into it. Looking for some bolts.
Appreciate you, man.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. About to get this. That shit beefy as fuck. This all lines up really nicely, guys, so should be pretty smooth.
Learn how to weld. Be a man.
Hey, when it's cold outside, drink some fucking soup. Be a man. If there's a tornado, stand on the roof. Don't go into the basement. Be a man.
But I think that's just because I do it more.
Don't look. Big shout out to my boy right here for welding it up and doing all this. Wouldn't be possible because I don't know how to fucking weld, so yeah, big shout out. But yeah, right now he's just welding up the beefy ass resonator. Then I'm gonna put on this piping.
That's when we get tack up the other half now, and then we'll take the whole thing down and weld it up. And we'll get the mufflers on.
Yes, sir. This shit about to be sounding good. All the way up.
Huh? You don't want it to touch.
Easy, man. This shit really is like
Yeah, it fits up.
75% done, basically.
Like the cannon part should
be like
hanging
right
out.
there.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So we're gonna have to shorten this by like do a sharpie.
Get into it.
Good shot.
Get it up after it cools down. What's going on, guys? So this is the final ending. You guys are gonna hear the startup. We're both all gonna hear the startup the first time. We started at like 10-ish this morning, ending at 8:30 exactly p.m. Took all day, but it was well worth it. Exhaust came out beautiful. Everything welded up pretty nicely. Everything just fitted pretty good. It was not as much complications. Yeah.
Now let's hear it.
This is gonna be the startup. Thanks to my boy back there, Joven. Big shout out to him. He looked dead. He's ready to fucking get the fuck out of here.